Hey guys, alright, I thought I'd film a little bit of this one. So I've taken off the bowl. As you can see, this stuff here is RTV. I'm not going to use cork gasket because it's a little bit hard to work with. I'm going to use this RTV stuff. Now this is used in engines and sealing of oils and other products like that. So it's resistant to that sort of stuff. Alright, what I've also done, so I've just taken that off by taking off these little Phillips head screws, just a couple of small ones. A couple of other things to check in one of these is this is your float. So that floats in the petrol, and it opens up this little valve here, which actually lets the fuel in and out of your carburetor. What you want to see on one of these is that it has a little spring. I can get it to focus. Well, it does have a little spring in there. You're just going to have to take my word for it. And you want to see that little spring moving in and out, which this one is. And there should also be some carburetors will have a little rubber seal on the other end. This one doesn't, so that's all good. Doesn't look to have a little groove for a rubber in there. So that goes back in underneath the float. So also we have these two called jets. This will be your main jet. This is your pilot jet. I've cleaned those out. So now we've got a nice clean orifice. As you can see daylight through that one. We should be able to get daylight through the other one. It's going to be a little bit hard because it's quite small. So, push that back down, and we've got our RTV sealing on that. And we're just going to plonk that straight back down onto the carburetor. And what you want to make sure of with RTV is that you don't have any on the inside of your part. As you can see, I've got a bit on the inside edge there. So I'm just going to wipe that. And now you can see it's gone. Just get rid of all that stuff on the inside edge of that. Remembering to turn the rag every time that you use it, otherwise you will end up with more stuff on the inside of the carby, which is no good. So those needles, well, jets they're called in carburetors, they are to inject the fuel. They squirt the fuel in a consistent pattern to make sure that you got proper fuel injection, atomization. Just plonk that straight back down on top. Take my 4 screws, push those in, and tighten them up. Just got to make sure you don't cross thread any of this sort of stuff, otherwise you will have problems later on. So we're all good. Now I'm going to use my RTV silicone on that side to put that up against the engine, and should be happy days. Cheers guys.